This is for Algebra 1, Unit 3 graphing, and we're talking about graphing a line from slope-intercept form. And if you remember back to when we first started talking about this, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, remember that m is your slope, or the steepness of your line, and b is your y-intercept, okay, or where it crosses your vertical axis. So let's look at the first problem from your worksheet. Zoom in a little bit here. Okay, so it's y equals negative x plus 5. What I recommend is always start at your y-intercept. So in this case here, my y-intercept is 5, so that means I'm going to start on my y-axis, my vertical axis, and put a dot at 5. And then my slope is negative 1, and I'm going to put it over 1 so that I have like a change in y over change in x. So that means I'd go down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. Keep doing this until you get off the graph. Now, if you think about the fact that your slope is negative 1 over 1, you could also say it's 1 over negative 1. It'd equal the same thing, so I could go up 1, back 1, and then just grab your ruler and connect the dots. And there is your line. And you should see that your slope is negative, so your line is going down overall. Okay, so that's for number 1. Go over to number 2. Okay, again, you want to start with your y-intercept number by itself. So we're going to start at 1, make a dot there, and your slope is the number next to x, so this is 2 over 1. So it means I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Now I know that my slope is 2 over 1, but I could also say negative 2 over negative 1, because that would still equal 2. So that means I could go down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1, and then grab a ruler and just connect those dots with a line. Okay, so we'll do a couple more together, make sure you're getting the hang of it. Go down to number 3. Now this one's a little bit different because you don't have a number by itself, but just add in plus 0. You can see then that your y-intercept is 0. Let's make a dot there. And what is the coefficient of x? Well, it is 1. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Keep doing that until you get off the graph. Okay, now since we know that our slope is 1 over 1, what else could it be? Hopefully you realize it also could be negative 1 over negative 1, because that would still equal 1. So down 1, back 1. Keep doing this until you get off the graph, and then go ahead and connect them with a line. All right, number 4, if you'd like to maybe pause the video at this point and try it on your own, and then come back to it and see how you did. All right, so negative 1 is your y-intercept, so we're going to start at negative 1 on my vertical or y-axis. My slope is 1/4, so that means I can go up 1 over 4. I also, hopefully you realize, could go down 1, back 4, but still be on your line. And then connect your dots with a ruler. Hopefully your work will be a little bit neater than mine. Okay. So that's really all there is to it. If you want to look at a special case with me real quickly, number 9 is a little bit different. Do you remember x equals 0? Is this a horizontal, so left to right, or a vertical up and down line? It actually is a vertical line. Okay, so you're just going to go to x equals 0, and then you're just drawing in a vertical line at x equals 0. Okay, so that's the only one that's a little bit odd. The rest of them should be pretty straightforward. If there's a negative involved with a fraction, so like, let's see the first time that happens to you. For example, number 5, y equals, just put it to the top or bottom so you could have negative 5/4 x. minus 2. If you have any questions, let me know.